Good morning, students. This is chapter number 13, sound. And today we are going to discuss noise pollution. This will be the last topic of this chapter. Now, before going to this topic, we should remember two things: audible sound and inaudible sound. Audible sound is the sound whose frequency lies between 20 Hz to 20 kilohertz, means 20 to 20,000 vibrations per second. And inaudible sound, other than these frequencies, the sound is inaudible sound. Means the sound that which cannot hear. It has frequency either less than 20 Hz or more than 20 kilohertz. But the sound whose frequency is 20 kilohertz, more than 20 kilohertz, is called ultrasonic sound. Few animals can hear this ultrasonic sound. For example, bats. Bat always use ultrasonic sound to detect the things. Right? Now, we are going to next topic, that is noise. Noise is unpleasant sound. It is produced by irregular vibrations. Means one cannot want to hear the noise. Irregular vibrations means your ears are not prepared for these vibrations, to receive these vibrations. For example, if all students in the classroom speak together, a noise is produced. Nothing will be received by the receiver if everybody is speaking. Now in this picture you can see so many children are speaking at a single time. So nobody is hearing anything. So this is noise. Second example, sound produced by horns of buses and trucks. Now in the second picture there is a large number of vehicles in the road. Few scooters and bikes are also running in the road. Now everybody is blowing his horn. So what will happen? That will produce the noise. Means the first two pictures which are unpleasant to us is called noise. Right? Now the musical sound. Musical sound is a pleasant sound. Sound which is pleasing to ears is called musical sound. It produced by the regular vibrations. Right? Now, if our ear are capable to hear the sound which are vibrating at a regular interval, that sound is called musical sound. For example, sound produced by the musical instruments. Now musical instruments have the frequencies, some beats are there. So our ear are pleased to hear this sort of sound, that is the musical sound. Now the sound by the person singing a song. A person is singing a song, we always try to receive that signal or that sound because our ear are pleasant to hear this sound. Now, this is a bird. Bird is producing a sound. That sound is like a musical sound. Right? So, our ear also receive this sound and we are capable to receive this sort of sound, that is musical sound. Overall, the difference between noise and musical sound is if the sound is unpleasant, so that is noise. If that is pleasant sound, that will be the musical sound. So there are so many examples of noise and musical sounds, right? Now noise pollution. The presence of excessive and unwanted sounds in the environment, that is called noise pollution. If we are getting unwanted sounds, excessive sounds, unnecessary sounds, so that is will fall in the category of noise pollution. Now, first of all, cause of noise pollution. Noise pollution is caused by the sound of vehicles, explosions, including bursting of crackers, machines, loudspeakers, etc. Now, the horn sound of vehicles is fall in the category of noise. Explosion, there is a unwanted sound. Crackers, sound of machines, loudspeaker, all these are the causes of noise pollution since they are producing the noise. In the home, noise pollution is caused by the television, radio and musical system at high volume. Some kitchen appliances, desert coolers, air conditioners, etc. are the cause of noise pollution. Now see, in the kitchen, if we are using the mixie, what sort of sound that is? That is a fall in the category of noise. Now desert cooler, it is making a huge sound. Few children used to see the television and radio or the musical instrument with the high volume. So that falls in the category of noise. Although this is the musical sound, but at high volume it becomes noise. So this is the cause of noise pollution. Now the harmful effects of noise pollution. Noise pollution causes several health related problems like lack of sleep, hypertension, high blood pressure, anxiety, etc. Now see, if we are listening 3 or 4 hours continuously a high volume sound, whether it is musical or not, so we are disturbing our sleep. We becomes restlessness. We becomes high blood pressure patient, right? So one should avoid the noise pollution, right? So there are so many health related problems due to the noise pollution. A person exposed to the loud sound continuously may get temporarily or permanently impairment of hearing. Now, you can see so many people which are working in a factory, working in a high noise pollution area, and they are having some high frequency losses and some low frequency losses, right? So their audible range becomes very short. They cannot hear properly. So this is the harmful effect of the pollution. Now, measure to limit noise pollution. Noise pollution can be reduced by using silencer in the vehicles. You know that few vehicles running in the road produce the less noise due to the silencers. So we should check check the silencer of our vehicles time to time. Industrial machines, we should check the regular maintenance of the industrial machines. Home appliances reduces by reducing use the vehicle horns. We should not blow unnecessary vehicle horns. Running TV, radio, musical instrument at low volume. We should always use these appliances, television, radio sets, musical instruments at low volume. Planting of trees along roads and buildings also help to reduce the noise pollution. If we are planting more and more trees along the roads or buildings, So it means we are reducing the sound pollution. Environment always help us to reduce the noise pollution, right? So this is all about the cause, harmful effect and measures to limit the noise pollutions. Now see, these are some pictures. There are so many musical instruments. This is Ganpati Visarjan. Then this is the JCB machines. Now see, this is the DJ picture, explosion area, desert coolers, ACs, crackers. They all are the sources of sound pollution, right? So this is all about of this chapter. Thank you very much.